Step 14. Start the slideshow from the beginning and navigate through the presentation. On slide 8, which is way down here, I do want to show you what we're going to be doing. We're going to underline detailed financial proposal. And then in the next bullet, we're going to circle the number 2. And in the third bullet, we're going to circle the number 10. So let's get started with that. We're going to go back to the beginning. And we're going to go to slideshow and from the beginning. As you'll notice, our presentation has gone into presentation mode. And now we're supposed to navigate our way down to the last slide, slide number 8. And you'll see how those 3 bullets came in. Notice as I move my mouse down in presentation mode, I have 3 icons, little circles down here. Those can help me navigate back and forth as a presenter. This is a pen that enables me to circle. So I'm going to click the pen and I'm going to go ahead and choose red. It did not tell us what color we want, but I'm going to choose the red color, and I am going to underline detailed financial proposal, and this is with my finger on the laptop, so it's kind of messy. And I'm going to circle the number 2 for at least 2 potential franchises and expand to 10 additional franchises in the second year. And now it asks us to make sure that we save, and we're going to end show, and it says when you end show, do you want to keep your ink annotations? And the instructions ask us to keep them. So I'm going to click keep, and now we're back, and you can see how those annotations are kept. And we can go on to step 15. Which is to display the print preview of the presentation with 4 slides per handout horizontally. So I'm going to go to File and Print. And when I'm in print, right now it's printing 1 page per print, but I want 4 handouts horizontally, and that happens to be this selection. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go ahead and save. And now it's time to close, exit the presentation, and submit as directed. Let's see how. I have logged back into my IT lab. I'm going to click on Course Materials, and at Course Materials, I'm going to go to PowerPoint. At PowerPoint, I'm going to click on PowerPoint Chapter 1. And then I'm going to click on Activities, which is the same as Assignments. I'm now clicking on PowerPoint Chapter 1 Grader, and here's the Grader project. This time we are going to upload, hopefully, the correct project. You do have 2 attempts. Come over here to step 3. Choose the file that's located on your computer. I navigated back to where I saved my file. I want you to notice that I expanded the date modified, and you can see right here that for me, October 10th is today's date, and I finished at 10:21. Be careful as you download files. You will have so many files that look similar. Make sure you upload the correct PowerPoint Chapter 1 Grader 1. And when you do that, you have to click Upload. And then it loads to my IT lab and says it's successful, but you must also click Submit for Grading, and then it says you're done. We can go back and see how we did. And I may have uploaded the incorrect file again. Let's see. I know you guys can beat that score. A second ago, I paused the video because my IT lab was spinning. It is important when you download your files and save your files to your computer to go ahead and log out of my IT lab. It will actually time you out, but you won't realize it. So I had to close Google Chrome. I had to reopen Google Chrome and re-upload. So, good luck. I know you can beat this grade. Do your best. Thanks for sharing.